All right. We are back again. Mail call on.
HDub50.
So, you like our channel, you like watching our diecast videos, subscribe to our channel and smash the bell to get notifications when we upload new videos. That means when we upload new ones, ding, you get the nod and you can check them out. All right. So this is what we got in the mail, and it's always cool when you get mail call because we don't really know what we get sometimes. I mean, we know, like, I don't know what he gets, you don't know what I get, so that's the fun of it. It's kind of like a monthly Christmas thing. So we're gonna dive in right now and see what is up. Like, I know what I got. I don't know what you got.
So we'll go and take this one first.
All right.
This here. No, I think there's only two, right?
Yeah, there's only two.
There's only two in
I
here.
just hope it's cherry.
But I bought a few of these a few months ago.
Yeah. Do you know the color that you have?
I do not. Because it was so much. I bought a whole bunch and they're kind of tied together. So mine's one I made offers on. The guy was selling them, or the girl was selling them for. Oh, I want you to see that.
Is it
Kind of bent.
Is it creased?
No, no creases.
Okay, good.
But it is a drag truck.
And what color is that?
That is,
Look at that blue, baby.
That is the blue.
Ooh, and get two. Normally I get one, but since there was two, I was like, you know what? The blue sells fast.
Oh yeah, the blue is nice.
And everybody like the blue. I'm trying to get the blue, and I know how you collect your blue stuff. So I'm still trying to get the blue dairy delivery, the blue bone bone shaker. But damn, they're expensive.
You're talking about the Ultimate Chase one?
No, just the regular bone shaker for the classic.
Or,
is that color blue?
The Hot Wheels Classic.
Yeah, and dairy delivery is that color blue.
Oh, so I think I'm looking at my stack that's behind the display here.
Yeah.
And I think I do have a blue one.
Oh, okay.
But I'm going to open mine, so I could probably trade you this one. Because I'm going to open it. So
Oh, okay.
the card doesn't matter. I don't know if the card
It's cherry.
is in, I don't know what condition it is. I don't remember. Because I don't open them, so I just stack them until we're ready to do a cracking open.
Well, I'm glad it came out good. Like, the corners seem tight, so that's good.
Yeah. And it's really nice, except this one's kind of dusty.
I was just going to say there's some dust on it, man. I hope that ain't anthrax.
That's a nice blue color.
Oh, hell yeah.
So I got this one. I got these off of eBay. And I remember seeing these on Instagram a while ago.
Oh, we dropped one.
And I kept trying to find out where the guy who took pictures with them got them from. Because it's in a different language, I never understood what he was saying. But these are
ramps.
3D printed ramps. I got a red one. I was gonna try and get two black ones, but you only had one black available, so I didn't want it in yellow. Because I don't think yellow would have did very good. But when I worked as a lot attendant, I would drive up on these with the cars that were new.
You have to. Oh,
So it'll hold a car like that.
that's cool.
Oh, we were just talking about blue, right?
Yeah, look at that blue. Oh.
So our ramps were a lot steeper though.
I know. I saw some of your ramps, and I'd be like, "What the hell? How they got the club there, bro?"
And I was a solo lot attendant, so I had to go and drive up till I felt the little stopper at the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, or else we go over.
I know.
Yeah. So it's one of those you preset the car.
So I know you were there for a while. So obviously you did a good job. Because if you went over, I know you'd be like, I was working McDonald's, and then I was working the kind after, and then jacket.
So what you used to do is preset the direction the car is. Just look down the ramp this way. You would preset the car straight, right? If you get out, look. If the car was like this or like this, you would back up, reset it again, bring the wheels right up to the ramp, And then,
But as steep as that was, you must have been burning out sometimes, if especially if it was raining or.
oh no, you wouldn't do it while it was raining. Though.
Oh yeah.
The ramp itself though was like wire.
Oh, you had that kind.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
okay,
it
yeah,
wasn't
yeah.
flat. It
So
wasn't
it could bite.
Yeah, it wasn't that diamond steel.
Yeah, because I seen some. It's that diamond grate steel.
Yeah, that didn't have a. Even though it had that.
Because you're still gonna slip.
It still would slip. So ours was the wire mesh, so it had a lot of grip.
Yeah.
But you'd go up, I'd have to drive up and then go up until I feel you're right at the top.
Wow.
Yeah, it was kind of crazy. I would do all kinds of cars. And to be on the outside and look at what you're doing is way different from being on the inside.
From the inside, look like you're going over because you cannot see what's in front.
Anything.
Yeah. All you see is like sky.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Or at what I used to see was a Nimitz Highway. The freeway. looking straight up at the freeway.
Yeah.
Which is... Looking back, I never ever thought twice about it.
You know why? Because when you're younger, you don't care, but you just do them. When you get older, then you start to think, what if I go over? What if I die? What if I kill somebody? What if I damage the car? I'm going to lose my job. I'm going to get fired.
Well, the funny part is I was always irritated the salesman wanted the one on the ramp.
I would like punch their face every day for that.
You really need that one right there because I'd have to move all the cars behind it. And then he'd come back or they'd come back and leave it in the customer parking. And then I get yelled at because why is that car in customer parking? There's no customers that can park. I'm like, well, the salesman has a key. It's like, well, get the key from him and put it back where it belongs, man.
Yeah, some sales guys, they need one slap.
So, and you know, I was a solo lot attendant for that dealership at that time.
When
so
you're the only lot attendant and you got multiple sales guys coming after you, get my car ready, hurry up, I need this now.
Did you wash it yet?
Yeah.
Look. So, yeah, I really, really wanted these. I finally have them. So I do have that used car lot, the Tomika Rama. This is going to go on there, and when we do more thrift store stuff, this is what.
Yeah.
Thrift store finds.
Thrift store finds. 345s. Yeah.
We use the used car lot since we are buying them used. So.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Not used.
Not used.
Previously owned.
Pre-owned.
Pwned. There you go. Because used sounds dirty, pilau, and disgusting.
Yeah. Used. It's almost like saying second
hand.
No, there's a
second
sloppy seconds.
Okay, that's a different version of it.
Like I said, these videos are not for kids, so
yeah, we're not family entertainment.
Nope. But you know, it's 8 minutes. It's a pretty quick video. If you stayed, you must love it.
Yep. So since you stayed, thank you very much. Don't forget to like the video and share the video with your friends, family, coworkers, and everybody else that collects ice cream cones with the bottom bitten out first. All right. We are
HDub50.
New viewers, that's you right there. Thanks for stopping by. You're looking good, feeling good. That's good because there are end screens. You'll see links to our previous video and a video that YouTube think you'll like and one that we think you should watch. So while you're doing that, we'll be back making more videos and we'll see you soon. Aloha.